Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're just taking a look at my setup, redoing my cables, tearing them all down. Literally I was using a method of the hooks, but I thought it was a poor idea because you're still seeing the cables. I thought I'd go get some more trunk in from B&Q. So I just cut it down to size, make my holes in it, took out my hooks, screwed that up to the top, put my wires through, redone all my wires, took out the cable tidy that I had from the 99p store. Was alright, but I could only get about 3 cables in there, so what was the point on having it? Unscrewed all the tidies, unplugged everything apart from the 2 lights that I had, and I also moved the router from the wall where it is there, and I moved it to the bottom of the desk. That's also where I put the trunk in, but I did the trunk in first. And yeah, so I think that's about it. If you have liked the video, make sure you do hit that like button and share it with your friends. Comment in the comment section below if you think what I've done is a good idea, or if you've got any suggestions what I should do next, because I'll always be taking ideas and redoing the setup as I've said before. So without further ado, I'll let you guys watch this video in peace. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Thanks for watching.